So this is how it looks like. You can make this braided headband without using a sewing machine. Stay tuned! If you love anything about baby headbands, consider subscribing. Hi, welcome to Anju Risa channel. I got a request from one of my audiences on how to make this unique braided headband. It's in Portuguese, and I use Google Translate to communicate with my audiences. This braided headband is quite easy and complicated at the same time. Without further ado, let's get started. Prepare a long strip of stretchy fabric. The width is about 2.5 inches or 6 centimeters. The length is 25 inches for baby, 30 inches for teenage, and 36 inches for adult. As usual, if you can hardly understand my English, you can turn on the subtitle in this video. And to convert inch to centimeter, multiply the length value by 2.54. Prepare 4 pieces of this fabric. You can use the same color, 2 colors, or even 4 colors like I do here. Tie a knot right at the center. I will braid the fabric. Grab the fabric like this and twist the fabric. Place the left side over the right side. Once again, grab the fabric, twist, and place the left side over the right side. Do this to the end of fabric. I will show you the other way to braid the fabric after I finish this side. Pin the fabric to hold the braid. I will show you the other way on how to braid with 4 strands of fabric. Bring the right side to the middle and left side to the middle. Just like this. Bring the right side and left side to the middle. Bring the fabrics together and stitch this part. Cut the excess fabric. Prepare a piece of square fabric with the size 4 inches or 10 centimeters. Fold the fabric and stitch this part. You can use a sewing machine, but I'll just hand stitch this. Turn the fabric inside out. Close the raw edges using this fabric. With the right sides together, stitch this part. Turn the fabric for the last step. And our braided headband is finished. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this braided headband tutorial, please like and share this video. If you hate this video, just hit the dislike button. Any questions? Write in the comment below. And please support this channel by subscribing and ring the bell.